right? Shoulder armor and then the forearm as well. Okay, so this piece is made with shoulder armor, and then the bicep guard, which is made with multiple parts like this, and one on the elbow, and I guess 2-3 pieces in the forearm area, and then they all have this gold ornaments. Okay, start with the cylinder. And I will first make a approx size and scale on overall shape. The arm is tilted. There's some angle here, so it will be, well, it's not hard, but a bit tricky to make, like straight lines and stuff. So I will probably just get the approx scale and then rotate back to the 90 degrees and then proceed the modeling. Or try not to freeze the transform and then retain the angle. Yeah, and so I can, using the object axis like this, so I can draw straight lines across the arm angle. Okay, so start with this 2-cylinder. Okay, and I'll be splitting shoulder pieces first. It's almost like a very round shape, so I will cap this area first by using bridge tool. Okay, and try just to make very simple yet close that what I see from the reference. Just like before, this is probably well, it's a very simple shape, but need to spend enough time to get correct shape. Otherwise, it's gonna be more trouble down the road. So intentionally make it simple as possible. It's a different angle than what arm is like facing, so it's more tilted inside. So I can extrude from here to here and rotate like this. I think. Something like this. It's a bit rounder here, so I will extrude this one more time. And try to make it rounder. The thickness wise, it's not very sure, but it's probably way thicker than what is supposed to be laying down. Well, again, we're not gonna see this arm anyway, so I'll be eyeball it and then try to match it closer to what I see from the reference. And the forearm piece is more streamlined to the arm itself. So I think I can start with the snapping to the arm. Put this one to the light. Then I will probably do hot throw. So I just hold shift tool. I can relax, which is basically snapping vertices to the model. I can draw new polys, or I mean, there's like a million different ways to do this, but I simply just do it this way. Okay, and this one also needs a bit of a shape. So it's not just cylinder, but based on some other reference, I might need some extra section underneath. So I guess this elbow piece can be attached. Okay, so I guess the basic shape is almost there. It's room to adjust a bit more, but well, looks much closer than before, of course. And the bottom piece is also have some space in the front here. I think almost there. So I will start polishing the model. Well, before I do, I need some extra space under here, on the armpit. Something like this. Because I think I can actually start with the curvature. So go front view and cut the actual polygons. But they don't need to be perfectly cylinder. So after I just fit the basic shape of the armor, I am putting the water so it can shape better before I cut the individual pieces. So ornaments goes along this arm all the way to the forearm. I will split it. Maybe it kind of goes this bit unsure how they flow, but assume that it's gonna tapering up. So this line there, and then this one here. And then this one is a bit kind of rotating a bit. And I know that based on the armor pieces reference, this front part and the back parts are split. So this is seam, and there's a wrist and sort of ring here. So there's 3 pieces here. So it kind of goes to the back. So start from here and then goes across the this back side of the forearm armor. Because these ornament pieces will look good after it gets shady, but it's always a bit tricky to model. This one, I think I can continue, not here, but it goes all the way up. Now give them thickness, extracting just edges. This pieces is where the ornaments goes. So we'll be extruding one more time to outside, except that side face. So these gold pieces can go right over here. I can actually be extruding the surface. It seems to have a bit more volume, and even from the profile view. So I think I can push this, pull this part out a bit more. So it's not like flat-ended, but it's more like round-ended. Same as here. But we probably need to adjust it a little bit more after I get the pose later. I think this part is too simple yet. Probably even after the rivets. So we'll probably make some like pinches, like lines like this maybe. But I will think about it after I finish the rest of pieces. And then this one doesn't really go like this, but they are actually more straighter. So maybe cut these edges. And also the long, I will reset it. So one here and the one right underneath here. 3 and 4. Total of 5 pieces here. And then the top pieces goes over the bottom pieces. So each top pieces are slightly bigger than the bottom pieces, except the very bottom one. So this one will be the smallest. Then scale to the y-axis, so it can be cover enough space on each section.